Hey guys, so I have another video for you today that is a review, and this review is of Gothic Beauty magazine. So Gothic Beauty magazine had reached out to me, and they have like a subscription box that they've been coming up with, and they reached out to me and asked me if I would like the products and have it to review on my channel. So I got this in the mail the other day, so we're gonna review it together. I literally just like opened it quickly just to see what it was, and I glimpsed at a few things, but I have no idea like what everything is that's inside of here. So if you don't know who Gothic Beauty magazine is, this is them right here. They've been around for a while because I remember getting their magazine like years ago, and they have just like amazing like people in the magazine, like different people dressed up, like fashion and culture and all about Gothicness in general. Ooh, look at this stuff. What's this? Oh, so cool. So they have like different products and stuff in their magazines that you can check out. I'm sure you guys have seen them before because I feel like they've been around for like ever and they're really well known. So okay, enough of that. So let's dive into their box and see what they got. Well, let's just say thank you so much for getting Gothic Beauty Box 54. Please find the following dark artifacts inside. Gothic Beauty magazine. Features in this issue include Bibian Blue, Decor Noir gowns, Julia Danis, myth-inspired costumes and guitar, lip service, PVC clothing, set in a new Vampire Red Transylvania proposal, dark artist Scara Darling, Mystic Trip, the style of Anne Rice Fan Club, Vampire Ball, and more. Plus book reviews and music reviews with a spotlight on Priest, OMB, and Miss FD. I've been seeing a lot about lip service lately. Are they back? Like I literally like remember them from back in the day when I bought like a bunch of stuff from them. And now I've been seeing them more. Like I think they're back and like selling things, but it's not like as huge as it was before, because I remember like their website had like tons of stuff on it. I could be wrong, but okay. Let's go through this. Look how cute this is. Look at the paper. It's like dark and festive. Dark and festive. Oh, I know who this person is. So what is this, like I know who these people are. I follow them on Instagram and TikTok. I don't remember their usernames, but they are, I think they just, you know, like model clothes and stuff like that. I know they're a couple. They're married. I can't remember what their names are. But yeah, I remember her because she does like cool, or they, I don't know what her pronouns are. They do like cool makeup and stuff like that. So yeah, oh, some stickers. Lip service. And Gothic Beauty. Here's the Gothic Beauty one. Here's the lip service one. Yeah, I think I had like a, I heard like a weird noise. I had like a couple of vinyl pieces from lip service, and like sadly like you can't wear them anymore because they like disintegrated, but I love their stuff. 3D skull ice mold. Oh, that's cute. You can make like a little ice cubies that are shaped like skulls. That's super cute. I love that. What is this supposed to be, like absinthe or something like that? Oh, that's really neat. I like it. I like it. Spooky Spirits Orange Autumn Clove. Ooh. Essential oil blend. Oh my god, that smells so good. It makes me want to eat it though. Oh my god. Let's put some on. That smells so freaking good. Spooky Spirits. I never heard of them before. I really like that. Wow. Let's see what else. Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff in here. Lashy Doodle eyeshadow. Making a mess. That's the box. That's really cool. And these are the colors. They're like, oh my god. There's like lots of glittery and like orange, like fall, autumn colors. That's like really nice. There's like a green, yellowy. I've never heard of them, Lashy Doodle. I'll have to play with this at some point and see how I like it. I saw these when I opened the box immediately. Foot Clothes Hagborn Trade. These are Blood Cathedral socks. Look at these. Aren't those so freaking cool? I love them so much. They're beautiful. And I could always use more socks. Oh, another thing from Lashy Doodle. What is this? Eyeliner stamp. Ooh, my other eyeliner stamps have run out of ink. I had like a moon one, a heart, and a star. I think this one's a spider web. Oh, so cool. Oh, they didn't come out that good. Oh, that one's better. That one came out better. That's really cool. I'm so happy with that. And then the other side is just a regular liner, which is good. I love these kind of liners to do like the fine inner corners of my makeup. This box so far is really good. I'm like super excited about this. Oh my god. There's like a little ring in here. It's like, I think it's like a little puppy, a puppy dog face. I think my son would like this. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? I mean, I don't know if it'll fit him. Might be a little big, too big for him, but that's wicked cute. That's something that he would like. Next we have a necklace. This is cool. It's a bat necklace. Oh wow. That, pretty. This box has a lot of stuff. And I honestly had never, I didn't even know they were doing subscription boxes until they had reached out to me and offered me one. I thought that was like really cool. And last but not least is concealer. Who makes this? I don't see a brand name on it. Well, you know what? I'll look at the piece of paper afterwards. Dark Asteroid. Oh, it's like a white concealer. Oh, it's like shiny. Wait, this can't be concealer. It's like a shiny, almost looks like a highlighter to me. I feel like. That's the cover of the thing. I'll read the little slip of paper it came with to go over it with you guys, but I don't know, is this concealer? Maybe it's like if you use like, you know, really white, I can't really show you guys. It's like here. If you use really white face makeup, I don't. I use like more close to my skin tone. Just because I'm older and I feel like when the white foundation, pale face, like just doesn't look good on my skin because it picks up on like fine lines and wrinkles. So let's see, the Blood Cathedral Crew Socks by Foot Clothes, Lashy Doodle, full-size eyeshadow palette inspired by Halloween, additional dramatic eye makeup for dramatic looks available at lashydoodle.com, Lashy Doodle double-sided ink marker eyeliner with spiderweb stamp, Blood Orange Clove Autumn Essential Oil from Spooky Spirits. That stuff is the bomb. Like, it smells so freaking good. I love it. I can't wait to wear it for Christmas. Bat necklace and chain from Eerie Baubles. One of the two cat rings from Eerie Baubles. One is a sterling silver and one is a blend of sterling rhodium. I only got one ring. One of two cat. Oh, one of two. So I got one of two that's available. Okay. Skull Ice Cube mold from Castle Mark. And what else? Pale White Shimmer Cream by Dark Asteroid Pretty. Dark Asteroid Pretty. suitable to be used as a concealer or highlighter. See, I knew it looked kind of like a highlighter. And then lip service sticker and postcard offering a 10% off discount with code Lippy10 at lipservice.com. And yeah, Gothic Beauty sticker. That's awesome. Thank you, Gothic Beauty. Yeah, go check them out for yourself. I will put their website down below. I mean, I'm sure you guys know, like I feel like everybody knows who Gothic Beauty is. But if you're interested in a subscription box like this, like I feel like this is a really good one because I've gotten subscription boxes in the past from different companies and I'm like, it's a load of junk. And I feel like this isn't junk at all. I feel like this is really good, high quality stuff that like I would literally use and that I would want for myself. So yeah, go check them out. And I put the link for their site down below. Thank you so much again to Gothic Beauty for sending these items. And until next time, stay dark, my friends, and I will talk to you guys later.